Check that out. I'm Shauna, the Try RDH, and today we are going to unbox and try the Autobrush. The handle, charging stand, instructions, charging cable. And the end is very different. It's not the USB-C. Like so. Oh, and charging stand. So you've got different modes on the handle. Cleaning mode, light mode, timer, and power button. And then this is an LED light on the inside. Green, this is the care mode. Blue is cleaning mode. And red is massage mode. Light mode, push the light button for 2 seconds. Dual purple, whitening blue, and then therapeutic red. Timer button, push to go between 30, 60, or 90 seconds. The Autobrush has an auto shutdown of 12 minutes. Now for the brush head. So you can see we've got bristles on both sides, and this is an adult small size. All right, let's put it on the body. So there's a little hole in the center here, and you just line it up with this, and you place it on. Okay, we're gonna go with, oh, check that out. Can you see it moving? There you go. So this is the green care mode, blue cleaning mode, and red massage mode. First, we're going to disclose. This is gonna show plaque that is on my teeth. I will say I did not brush this morning, just so we can have some plaque to disclose. These taste like juicy fruit to me. Okay, are you ready?
I'm sorry, what?
Everywhere that there's purple or pink, that's plaque. It just shows where the plaque is at. All right, let's brush. Here's the toothpaste, not your normal toothpaste, it's a foaming toothpaste. It does have fluoride in it. So we're going to put the foaming toothpaste on the top and bottom, like so. And then you just place it in your mouth and bite down, push power, and go. Now the technique is to go side to side, but also go in like a circular movement. Cheers. The vibrations make my nose itch.
Sorry.
Okay, so it's purple because of the disclosing solution. And I will say, on this side up here, on the tongue side, there is a little bit of blood. So my toothbrush wasn't hitting that enough, and this brush did. I do like the way that it feels. My teeth do feel clean. There's these little rubber stimulators right here, and you're biting down. This is what's hitting all the way into the gums. It has it on top and bottom. I'm a fan of that. It's wild. So cool. This would be great for patients with sensory issues, patients that can't grip the regular toothbrush. You could see this once you bite down, it's in your mouth and you're just doing this kind of a movement, and it's a very easy movement to do. Kids that are not cooperating when they brush, this may be something cool that they'll be more likely to use. It'll help parents because you're not gonna have to like cram the toothbrush all the way in the back when you sit this in and they close. It's reaching everything all at once, so that's pretty cool. On the website right now, they have a bundle where it's the brush, Autobrush, and toothpaste, and it's $59. They also have different subscription options. They recommend to replace the brush every 2 months, so it's not that far off of an electric toothbrush. We recommend that you replace those heads anywhere from 3 to 6 months. Cost-wise, it's very comparable to an electric toothbrush. Well, I recommend these to patients. Yes. Okay, just getting in from the car after filming, and I can definitely feel along my gum line. It's not sore, it doesn't hurt. I can just feel that there was movement around my gum line, all the way to the very back on both the tongue and the cheek side. I'm not shocked, I'm pleasantly surprised. The coverage that I'm feeling from the Autobrush. I'm feeling that I brushed my back teeth all the way to the gum line. Well done. Will you try the Autobrush?